When you have fun with your food, it tastes that much more delicious.
Mmm, so good.
My name is Mai. I love to eat. That's why I am so active in the kitchen. I'm all about the variety, and I don't eat the same thing day in and day out. I do low carbs and whole ingredients. As a busy mom of two, I really don't have time to fuss in the kitchen. I like to get in and get out, but also make sure that the food is delicious, because in my cooking class, you'll have the freedom of customizing it to your specific palate. My cooking style is very flexible, be experimental. I'm all for substituting ingredients. It takes the same amount of work and effort to make a bad meal than it does to make a good meal. So why not make it spectacular?